Oh my god, look at this car wash. Oh my god. Love this soap.
Right.
Underspray.
Right. So,
I love this. It all soapy.
okay. Right. So, what I was trying to figure out is, so you're either going to be in Daytona or Kissimmee. That's where your timeshare is Kissimmee, right?
I love to get a car wash. I love getting one or whatever. Now this part, when you get air
We
dried,
won't do that. But where is that?
it feels like you're on a plane. Look at this. It looks like you're about to go on a plane and take off. Look, that's actual fire. Look at that. That right there is actual
Okay,
fire.
how far is it from Kissimmee?
Look at that fire.
Hold on.
There's our way out.
Okay.
We're done next.
Okay.
Bye.
All right.